In this video, I want to demonstrate how to add a gusset to a sheet metal part. So I've created a basic part with the base flange. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to choose the sheet metal gusset. And the first thing I want to select are the supporting faces for the gusset. So I'll select this face as face 1, and this is face 2, and I'll get a preview with the default settings. So what it's telling me here is the reference edge that was selected for the gusset and the reference point where it's dimensioned from or where it starts from. So the offset's turned on. If I flip the direction, it'll go away because I've told to go off the part. I'll turn it back on, and this is how far I'm offset from the part edge. So right now it's 0.5 from the reference edge. If I change it to 2, it'll move to 2 inches. Next, let's look at the profile options. So I have several options here. I can choose the indent depth radio button, and I'll just change its value to 0.5, and we can see how that changes this. Or I can go with the profile dimensions and use the distance as shown here. So if I change distance 1 to 0.5, we can see the effect it has. And if I change distance 2 to 0.5, we can see the effect it has. Or I could do a distance and an angle. The other options I have are to have the gusset rounded as it's currently shown, or I can make it flat to look like this. I'm going to leave it rounded, and then I want to scroll down, and I'm going to set the width of my gusset to 3/16. I'll make the thickness 60 thou, and the internal corner fillet I'll turn on, and I'll make it 30 thou. I could add draft if I want it. I can also set the outer corner fillet, and I'll enable that, and I'll set it to 90 thou. Next, I'm going to turn on the full preview so we can have a better look at how this will look. The last options I have is to override the document settings. And the reason I can do that is because this gusset cannot exist in the flat pattern. So I'm going to save this, say OK. And if I flatten it out, we'll see the gusset has disappeared. So I'll unflatten it. I'm going to go back and edit that gusset. And I'm going to go to the bottom. And I'm going to tell it this time to override it and to show the profile as well as the center. And we'll see what effect that has. So I'll say OK. I have my gusset again. I'm going to flatten it. And now it's just showing where the gusset will come from as well as the center point. I'll fold it and the gusset comes back.